So, good afternoon. Good afternoon, y'all. I don't know how long my phone will let me record this, but we're gonna try. We're gonna see. And I just have I don't want to say the word of the day because I got many of words. There's plenty of them. Okay. Let's start off by reading these things. A couple of these things that come on my tea, my yogi tea. I got two right now. I got stress relief and perfect energy. But here's one of them. It says, you are the master of your judgments, your decisions, and your actions. And then this one says, the one who listens understands. So have you ever heard the saying, we got two ears and one mouth for a reason? Yeah, so right now, I'm about to fry some chicken up real quick. Everybody that's been following me or knows of me, because none of y'all know me for real, know I don't eat beef or pork, but when I did eat meat or even chicken, I boil it before I cook it. So I boil it before I fry it. I boil it before I put it on the grill. And it helps the cooking process. It helps the flavor. Nobody don't like nothing dry. Or we shouldn't. We shouldn't. It's not really natural. But yeah, I'm boiling some little chicken winglets right now. And I'm gonna add some of this little pho mixture. Pho. It's pronounced, it look like pho, it's pho. It's pho, right? Oh, don't mind that. But the words of the day will be, here, let me add some of this real quick. Okay. So I got the chicken winglets with a little bit of seasoning. I'm gonna add some of this pho and chicken broth. Now you can boil your meats in anything, water, broth, whatever, but I like my stuff flavorful and juicy, tender. So I'm gonna also add some little poultry seasoning. That's always good cooking with chicken. It brings out the natural chicken flavor, I think. And then a little bit of MSG, which makes the meat, all meat, tender as heck. Use a little bit, don't you put a lot of MSG. I got put on from my daughter's family, Thai Asian. So they put me on, wondering why all they chicken and stuff we got. MSG. So yeah. Let me go ahead and add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And you can go with this, and you can go with that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. And this is just going to be something real quick, because it's only 12 winglets. It's only 12 winglets that I'm going to fry up. Usually I can eat a 20 piece by my damn self. I'm not trying to be cute to boot. I can eat. But it's 12 winglets. I'm going to just make some veggies on the side. My babies love vegetables, the sweet peas and corn. They fuck with it. Look at that. What's that? I don't give a fuck. Not even a half of one. Okay. So, we're going to wrap this back up. Let that do a stuck thizzle. The words for the day. The words for the day. I'm still in my sleeping clothes, attire and stuff. So, the words for the day. You don't got no shirt on. I don't. Okay, that's why I said step out this camera. Go ahead. Or go upstairs in your princess room. Okay? What's in your mouth? You eating your carrots? They just asked for some carrots too. But I'm trying to look at me. Not them. But the words for the day is put your pride to the side. Everybody that be interested in people or like someone, lusting for someone, anything, what you want to call it. It's like, it got a lot of titles. They probably even have the digits or way of come. Hey, now, say now, please. And you keep on coming closer. Get back, Jack. Go. You don't have no shirt on. Okay. Yeah, so. Right. See, my babies, just a little hard-headed, just a little bit. But, they might even have the numbers and everything type stuff. And can you guys, like, give me 50 feet? What? You want to look in the camera? Do you see me in the camera with no clothes on? I got clothes on, right? I'm covered, right? That would never be an option. No, you got pants. Yes, ma'am. You have pants on, and we're comfortable. But you're not about to be comfortable with no shirt on the camera. Yeah, she got a one-piece little button up. Yeah. So, my gosh. Yes, princess. Yes, Fayeen. You're supposed to love your sister forever. And oh, that's so cute. If April had a shirt on and stuff, I would easily just, boom. Because that was so cute. Yeah, I'm covered up. That is not good to show your skin and your body. Yeah. Go ahead and go upstairs and get you a shirt on there. And then you can say something to the camera. The YouTube friends and family. Go ahead. Girl, who you talking about? Little bit? Little bit is going to be the one. I know it. I told April to go upstairs and look for her shirt so she can be on camera. And Little Bit like, who said something? And Little Bit's going to be the one. But yeah, they might have each other. We might have each other's numbers and stuff and everything. And what? How do you go pee? Let me know when you get done. So the chicken's smelling good already. Keep in mind, when you are boiling your meat, whether it's chicken, whether it's beef, whether it's pork. I don't eat beef or pork, but either way, boil it. That helps like killing bacteria. It helps the juiciness, the tenderness, the flavor, the cook time, everything. But when you are boiling it, don't boil it all the way. Don't cook it all the way, because we still got to cook it. I still got to fry this. But when I put it in the oil, all is going, and I'm going to fry it with no flour or nothing. Okay? No flour or nothing. That is possible. And the skin will be really crispy. But that's all for like texture and color. But don't overcook nothing and be like, oh, PQ said, PQ, you better rewind some stuff. Let me start this up though real quick. Are you done? You said what? Huh? Okay. Also correct your children, because I said, are you done? Yes, I am. You said what? I say, yes, ma'am. That's the only, yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. And I don't know. I don't know. That's it. So let me pause that. Let me wipe my baby's butt. Quarter cat down, booty up. Teach your children. Teach your baby girls how to wipe. Quarter cat down, booty up. Quarter cat down, booty up. That's how you wipe. Teach them. Teach them. But wait, hold on, wait. All right, y'all. So, they got done eating their carrots. But no, yeah, even if we have each other's numbers and stuff, the girls' friends be like, girl, if he like you, he gonna call you. If he like you, he gonna call or text. The man's friends be like, boy, if she feeling you, she gonna hit you up. If she like you, she digging you, she gonna hit you up. Well, no P. She gonna hit you up. So, it be us going against The grain, cause for one, our pride. Our pride, like, I'm not about to hit him up. I'm not about to hit her up. Like, I'm gonna let them hit me up first. And that's not always how it should be. Put your pride aside. If you like him, what's that song? What's that old school song? No, that's Ray Crazy. The one that popped in my head was like, if you think you're lonely now, wait until to burn. That's not the one, y'all. But like, put your pride aside. If you like him, girl, hit him up. Because at the end of the day, if it don't work, that's not nothing because of you not doing communication. If the world had communication, it would be such a better place to live on. I think I might just make some rice with the fried chicken and veggies like that. But some rice and gravy with some fried chicken. Flourless fried chicken. So, and really that's about it. Because winglets are little baby things. So they're about to be done boiling here in a second. Started the cooking process for that. Yeah, my friend he had like a boxing glove. Like, it's some for the kids' room too, but he had some in his little area. And at first I put the gloves on. I'm like, I'm not a boxer. I can fight, but I'm not a boxer. Like, I want to feel that, I don't want that cushion. Please. But now, like, put your pride aside. It don't matter how. Yeah, I'm trying to listen for the kids. It doesn't matter how you're going to be looked at from everybody else. Because I say, not just because I have a song called The 3 Fs. Let me try to lift that up a little bit because I don't want y'all just seeing nipples and stuff. But not just because I have a song called The 3 Fs. But it's another term I use, 3 Fs, abbreviations, whatever. Feeding, fucking, or financing. So if someone is not feeding you, if they are not fucking you, freaking you, let's say freaking, we got kids watching. If they are not freaking you, feeding you, or financing you, if they're not taking care of you, you don't have to explain nothing to nobody. If they're not doing the 3 Fs, feeding, freaking, or financing you, you don't have to explain shit to nobody. Fuck how they look at you, because at the end of the day, are they doing those 3 Fs? I'm just playing, y'all. I'm really not, though, because every time people say I'm just playing, right after they say something, they're not kidding. So I make my seasonings, my own seasonings. I make my... Okay. I'm trying to listen because it's upstairs, so my babies. But no, put your pride aside. Like, if you like her, tell her you like her. Don't be playing mind games and see how she reacts from it. If you like him, tell that man you like him. Don't just be playing mind. Look, I don't know what this is supposed to look like. I have dressed. I got my hair done by Kalasia, my cousin. So, but this is sleeping attire. I woke up, start some laundry. Well, we woke up, we got a routine, me and mine. We wake up, we say our prayers, we make our bed. If you make a bed in the morning, that makes your day go by so smoother. And then again, like, make up your bed. It takes 5 seconds. I'm not saying like do what I do with the sheets and everything, but make up your bed. Even if you just right on top or something. Please. I love y'all. I love me. I love Jesus. Jesus is love. So I love everyone and everything that he created, whether y'all like me or not. I have a lot of silent haters. Why? I don't know. I'm tearing up. So emotional. I was like, but I love this olive green on me. I love myself. I love my skin. I love my hair, my melanin. Will never lose, was born to win, will never quit, just try again. That's the Jules TV. That's what they got for the kids. But I'm trying to hold on, wait, because y'all don't need to be seeing all of this. I'm just playing. We are grown. We should be. If you're a child, take in what needs to be. Dismiss the rest. I'm not doing too much. I'm not going to be over here shit. No. You want to see that? It's not going to be over here. Catch me on a good day. I'm just I'm not kidding. But it's not. I don't be on that right now all the time. So that's pretty cool. Put y'all pride aside. Everybody be worried about how the next person gonna view them or think. What are they gonna think? Oh no, what if they see? Oh no, what if he hear me say that? Let me walk outside on the phone so I can okay. Huh? What? Come again, say what? I look so sexy to me. Hey now, say now. And this is just the slightest. Hey, I really look good to me. And that's all that freaking matters. Because if I love myself, whoever loves me, yeah, it's, you know what I'm trying to say. Connect the freaking dots. Okay? Dots. Because I kept on thinking it wasn't coming out right, and don't do me. Ever. Okay? I don't think you guys could if you even wanted to. So I'm going to pour this. And this broth, this is homemade chicken broth. This is, boy, y'all be asleep. We need to be careful, mindful what we put in our bodies. And everything. My storage. That's why I said I don't know how long I'm going to be able to be on the phone. So before I even fry this up, I'm going to go ahead and, oh yeah, these bad boys going to be sexy as fuck. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not though. So stop worrying about everybody else. If they're not doing the 3 F's for you, if they are not feeding, freaking, or financing you, you should care less. Rest in peace to Careless, Mario. But you should care less about who, when, where, why, and how. If you like her, King, tell her. And if she don't catch the ball that you throwing, there's other players on teams, okay? There's not just one female in the world. There's not just one man. If they are not the one, someone is. Everybody got a match out here, okay? Everybody's meant for someone. For sure. Everybody's meant for someone. So, yeah. Stop being scary. Can y'all stop being scary? We need some more freak. What was it? Because me and my cousin was just walking yesterday with the kids. And we met this man, and we was going to make a saying, we need more of him. Because we need more upfront, direct, grown man, king vibes, not scary, don't want nothing in return. No cat, no. You don't want nobody to talk to them in return, nothing. We need more like upfront, outgoing kings. Because when I tell you these grown ass men, boy, I'm telling you, they know what they done. They know what they want. They know what they doing. They not looking at who, when, where, why, and how. Now, y'all little boys out here, y'all either looking at each other, or y'all scared to approach somebody, or y'all want a female that y'all can finesse and talk crazy to. Y'all don't want no challenge. And really, a woman shouldn't be a challenge to a man. Y'all should weigh each other out so smooth. Like, there's no tugging and pulling. Like, me and my friend, we woke up and we tired. We'll go from now. We tired. I'm like, let's do some jumping jacks. Let's do 5 jumping jacks real quick. I don't even know why the heck I said that for decoration. Trying to be cute or something. And he was like, yeah, let's do it. Any other, especially young man, would have been like, jumping jacks, the fuck? Am I in school? Jumping jacks. You know? But he was like, yeah. So every 2 jumping jacks, we do 1, 2. And then I'm like, boom, bah, boom. I'm not doing that right now because I don't have a bra on and I don't have no drawers on. I'm in sleeping clothes. But I'm like, bah, 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 and I said 5, right? He kept going. So I'm like, I'm stopping when you stopping. Come on now. But it was dope. Like, y'all need to stop being scary. Please. Stop holding your tongues. Stop being scary. Go after what you like. Even if he or she seems out of your league. Even if it's like, I can't believe it's not butter. Go after what you like. Go after what you like. Whatever you want is yours. You can manifest that. You can speak and think. Not just speak, but you can think things in existence as well. You know that? We are so powerful. I don't hate anything. I don't even use that word. So, Lord, forgive me. I dislike when I'm seeing all over social media, we are kings. We are gods. Ha! You motherfuckers, you. Hey. You sick-minded individuals. We are very powerful, and some have more gifts than others. Like myself. We are all powerful, but we are not gods. Who in the fuck told you that and made it sound so good that y'all running with it? Put some respect on this lifetime. Put some respect on even how it was brought up. Yeah, some stuff, a lot of stuff are lies, and a lot of stuff have been mixed up. I understand that. I understand that. We've been misled, all of that. There is only one God. We are children of God. We are his children. So, of course, if we children of God, of course we are kings and queens. If we are children of God, of course we have multiple powers within us. And hopefully y'all know how to use y'all's the right way. If we are children of the Most High, of course we are gifted. Some more than others, like myself, okay? But that's like, what's it called? The Karate Master, and how he trains other people. You can't take the master's place. He taught you everything. And you think he gonna teach you everything? No. Because he's the master. He's smart. He's smart. It ain't no replacing him. We are of him. We came from him. There's no replacing him. There's no comparison. That's what's going to get y'all messed up. The walls. The walls we put up can only protect us from so much. We fight to keep them up with the slightest intentions of letting them down. Due to past experiences being fucked up from giving motherfuckers the benefit of the doubt. Whether it's a smile or frown you see on someone's face, you never really know what's going down. Shit, having a wall up to protect and shield off, block off any negativity has been around. Literally all the way back to the biblical days, Revelations 21:12. Is it making sense now? So much stuff was going on that had the people shook, distraught, and trembling. Nehemiah was the one that went all the way back to Jerusalem to help them rebuild the wall. ASAP Rocky, no hesitation. Are you getting it? Even though it took 52 days for it to be rebuilt from it being burnt. He knows the job needed to be done and the needed lesson has been learned. All the way to Trump's weird ass idea on wanting to keep out the main motherfuckers that don't mind doing any work. The walls. Fucking with the industry, this world, television, social media. Fucking with the industry will get y'all caught up. They taking y'all boys' imagery. Now, who's really stealing cookies, huh? No jar in sight, knowing it couldn't be me because I like honey buns. The government's misled. No, the world's misled and the government, and it's fact. It's my poem, but fuck you guys, forget it. Wait. The world's misled and it's factual. The government's cool with it. They PICs itching to change the world, protesting when we act to ask. They're saying what's next to do with it. I just pray the old heads stay woke and the new generation just wake the fuck up. There's nothing wrong with being tough and having a wall up, but don't get that fucked up. You can block your own blessings not being wise enough. You can block your own blessings not wanting to say hi or I like you. What you doing? And going after what you like. The fuck? So yeah, I'm going to put this on YouTube. I love you guys. I love my YouTube family and friends. On the road to 1K. Get me there so I can get paid. I'm just playing. I don't do it for money. That's the crazy thing about it because I don't even think I could be able to be famous. All these talents I got, I don't want to be famous because I will never be able to sell my soul. I'm talking about this and that and liking people and putting your wall down and, and that ended up with me talking about Jesus. They're not going to like that. What's that movie with that dude with the curls, with flat arm with the curls and he'll eat a banana? I don't like that. When the new dudes was on the block, I don't like that. What movie is that? Comment down below if y'all know, if you're a hood baby. Hi, Joya. Here I come. My baby's calling. My youngest one's right here. But message for the day. And if you didn't get it, rewind it and replay. Okay? But I love everyone. We are all kings and queens. It don't matter if you put the Nubian in front of it, Thai in front of it. It don't matter. But know your worth. Know what you like. And go after it. Also know who you are. When I say worth and who you are not a god. You are not a god. We are not gods. There's one God. There's no comparison. There's no taking his place. That's what's wrong. That's what happened to Lucifer. Just because y'all cute to boot, just like Lucifer was the beautifulest angel ever with the music, wake up. Just because you're cute on the outside, we're not gods. Okay? Understand that. Understand that. Overstand that. Like the Chosen Star Seed says in his videos. Come correct. Because our kids are watching. Our kids are watching. Okay? You understand? You understand? You overstand? But yeah. What? That is so cute. Right now my chicken's cool. I'm about to Put this on top of it. Put it in the oil just like that. No flour, no cornmeal, no nothing. Just fried chicken. That's it. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Don't mind this, because, like, I'm trying to, like, be appropriate, but at the end of the day, if you're not doing the 3 F's, I'm good. I'm great, like the motherfucking meat tire off of Frosted Flakes. Oh, my goodness. Oh, no, baby. Okay? Oh, no, sticking bully. You okay? Fine. Yeah. I have to start planting this today. I'm going to start today. My mom gave me this. So, and I got soil, I got squash, lavender, thyme, different stuff. So I'm going to plant these today. I think this is the perfect time. But yeah, y'all be blessed. Like, be yourselves. Who y'all trying to be cute for? Your homeboys, your homegirls? And then at the end of the day, be unhappy as fuck. Like, dang, I should have talked to her. I know she looked like a grandma, but I know she got something within her. I know I should have said something to her. Dang, I should have. Hold on, wait. Dang, I should have talked to him. Yeah, I seen him looking, but I just didn't know because he just didn't have the right attire on. Like, what's wrong with y'all? Teamwork is the dream work. You can help put somebody else on or become better, become the person that they're supposed to be. You can help them and not look at them. That's what's wrong. It's so often first appearance is everything. This is who I am. You like it or you don't? I'm gonna be happy regardless. I'm happy. Real shit. Only thanks to the Lord. And I don't want to confuse y'all because I love Jesus. I'm going to address him by his name. Like some of y'all are scared to do. But I love Jesus. He is my most high. He is my... I trust him. I believe in him. I worship him. I pray to him. I talk to him. I listen to him. Ooh, he's an awesome God. He's a forgiving God. He's a worthy God. He's a trusting God. He's a talkative God. He's a listening God. He's a protective God. He's a leading God, a teaching God, a patient God. Get to know him. Get into it. For real. And that's where the happiness comes from. I give him all the praise. But let me get off the phone. Let me get off this video. 33 minutes. Yeah. I love y'all. Y'all need to love yourself. Here I come, baby. Love yourself, queen. Love yourself, king. When you take off all them name brands, and when you wipe your face of all that makeup and lashes, take that wig off, that weave out. Do you love yourself? Do you love yourself? Or is all that just a cover up? Because if I could be nude, I would be a nudist. I love my body. I love my stomach. I love my body. I love it. And I don't care how many workout videos I see on social media or YouTube. I will eat while watching those videos. I love food. I love my body. Like, who wants bones? I love this. I love me. So love you. Love God. And you will love you. And you will love others as well. Make a recipe. What? What happened?
I got hurt.
You got hurt?
No, don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
No.
Why? Let me touch it. Let me see it. I'm not gonna touch it. Let me see it. Can I kiss it? Come here, let me kiss it. You want me to kiss your hand too? Okay. You just want sugar. I hope you don't see that. Bye, y'all. Bye. Bye, y'all. Bye. Be blessed. Keep living. Anybody could change. Look at me. I'm a walking testimony. Don't let anything take over you. Whether it's drugs, any addiction. Everybody in the world got an addiction. Whether it's food, porn, social media, fame, money.